What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to go over the 3 trades that I took on Monday, November 15th. I was up $1,500 in the first 3 minutes of market open, but I'll go over the 3 trades that I took in the first 5 minutes. So going into the day, there were a lot of good setups. Over the weekend, everyone prepares really well, and then you chart everything, and you're seeing a bunch of good plays. And then going into the day, pre-market, a lot of stuff was setting up well. Shopify, Coinbase, Boeing, but whenever Tesla and Amazon are setting up, those are the 2 names that I want to watch. So initially pre-market, I was ready to take Tesla to the downside, but then we had pushed up the last hour of pre-market, and I saw that the 929 candle had a high at 1018.5. So right there, if you can see on the ask, 1018.29 was resistance, and then right as we popped over that, I got in. So that entry is basically all going off the tape on top of understanding the way that Tesla was moving pre-market. So once that we pushed over 1020, I started to scale out of some contracts. I sold 2 once that we were up over $1 on the contracts. And then now if we can hold 1020, I'm just going to try to stay in. But as you can see right there, the bids dropped 1020, and I just got out of the last 2 contracts. So I let those last 2 contracts see if we can hold. I took profits on the first 3, and I had a nice $500 orb off of open. So I want to go over that I was taking 5 1050 call contracts. I like to play right at the money, so usually I would play the 1020 strike price. But as you can see in the top right, those are $35. So having played Tesla the past 2 weeks a lot, I knew that early in the week with the volatility as high as it is right now, it didn't make sense to take those spreadier, more expensive contracts, and it was a better bet to take the 1050 strike and play 5 of them. So then now I'm staying ready on Tesla because I had that nice orb to the upside, but I can see off the tape that Tesla's looking weak and we're getting down to the $1,000 level, but Amazon's also setting up, and I'm waiting for this 35.45 break. So right there I switched over, and without hesitation I got in. I saw that clear momentum was there, so I got a great fill price, and then we had semi-resistance at 3,555, and my contracts were up $2, so I just decided to take one off there, and now I can let this last contract run until we break below 35.50, as that's a key level. So right here we're getting up to 35.60, and there's no reason to sell there. We popped over, contracts are up really nice, and now we're getting up to 35.70. We get to 35.70 and pop over really quick, but now this is kind of looking like resistance, plus the bids aren't pushing up that much, so I'm not liking that too much, and I just sold out. I almost got $1,000 on that last contract. That's an extremely good play, and I don't want to be greedy as much as I want to let this play ride. I caught more than 20 points on this play. Although it was less than a minute, that's still 20 points, and it's not like Amazon can just keep going forever. So at some point you have to take profits, and I was happy with that play. So now we're hovering below 35.70 and high of days 35.72, and I can tell that there's clear momentum, so I want to stay ready on this. And although I want to be taking level holds, I'm sized down to 1 contract, and right there I got in. I had a good fill, and I'm only taking 1 contract because I'm up on the day nice. Plus, I've been taking high of day breaks on Amazon lately, and they've really been hurting me, so I don't want to take a too big of size on this and potentially give away a lot of my profits. I'd rather just be quick on this play. If it doesn't work, I'll just get out. But if this momentum continues, I can just let 1 contract ride, and maybe we can get to 35.80 and push through that. So when I'm up really nice on the day like I am today, I don't want to keep trading and give back profits. Sometimes I'll just call it a day, but with Tesla moving the way it is, Amazon moving the way it was, just everything moving, I didn't want to just completely step away from the computer and be done after the first 5 minutes because there was more money to be made, possibly. There's not a guarantee that you're going to keep making money. If you keep trading, you might lose money, but I wanted to put myself in position to have a bigger day because I don't want to stay focused on my P&L because that'll just limit me. I'd rather try to keep growing and keep having bigger days and just trade the chart and not really think about my P&L. So after the first 3 trades, I took some other small scalps on Tesla and Amazon, and I'll show you my fills right here on those plays. As you can see, I'm getting in right here. This wasn't really a great play. I didn't have any winners after that, but I took 7 trades and I ended the day up about $1,200. So risking only 20% of my profits to possibly make way more is a good risk to reward wise. I wasn't going to let myself go under 1,200 for the day because I feel like that's just giving away too many profits. But risking a little to have an even bigger day is always worth it for me. So I obviously can't complain about how today went. It gave me a nice cushion for the week. I'm up nice on the month already, but this is a good cushion for the week. Plus I exhibited really good patience today, and I wasn't just over trading and acting foolishly. I was taking good setups, and if they weren't working out, that's fine. I was just cutting my losses quick, and all of my losers were very small. So Amazon has definitely been a name that I've really liked trading lately. Once that you kind of understand the way that Amazon moves and you can get away from focusing on how expensive the contracts are and how spready they are, and you just start trading regular price action, it becomes a really good name to trade and maybe the best name to trade. So I hope that you guys had a great day today. I hope that you kill the rest of the week. You learned a little something from this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and have a great rest of your day.